Hi, I'm Kathleen Lesson. I'm a certified lymphedema therapist and board certified massage therapist, and I'm author of the Plastic Surgery Recovery Handbook. I take a lot of ongoing education, and I'd like to talk to you about something I learned from a fellow clinician yesterday at a training that was hosted by one of the compression garment manufacturers. So in this training, he kind of shared this theory, which I'll call the 100 milligram theory. And basically, that's a way to think about how much you should invest in your own recovery and using how much you already invest in the way that you recover from other things. So kind of like getting it straight, because having surgery like plastic surgery, all of a sudden these costs are overwhelming. We're not used to having these costs. And we kind of want to figure out what do we need and what do we not need. So what is the 100 milligram theory? So how he said it is, just think about the last time you had a migraine, a really, really bad headache, something that just stops you in your tracks. Did you really try to take only 100 milligrams of pain reliever? No, of course you wouldn't. You need to take like the maximum pain reliever. You need to take as many pills as possible because you need to get this pain stopped. You need to get this migraine stopped. So you're not going to take, the little 100 milligram tablet. You're not going to take like a baby aspirin if you have a giant raging headache. So that's the 100 milligram theory. So we need to apply it to everything else. So you're going to talk to somebody. I'm a certified lymphedema therapist. I help people after plastic surgery, like after liposuction, and they ask me, how many times should I come in for the massage? How often should I wear my faja? How often should I change my faja into a smaller size? And everything gets tiring after a while. It's the same thing. I was educated to help the disease lymphedema. It's a chronic disease. Everything's really tiring after a while. Do you really have to spend 1 hour a day in self-care to handle your lymphedema? Do you really have to spend around an hour in self-care every day after plastic surgery, whether that's getting a massage, putting your faja on, making, and all these other expenses? Taking your faja in or getting a smaller faja. The nutrition has to be right after surgery, so you get all the nutrients that you need to help your body heal properly. You have to drink the water that you need to drink. You have to get the sleep, and this is a crazy one because you can't just survive on 5 hours sleep that you might have before surgery. After surgery, you have to go right back to baseline. You have to take the maximum medication to really kick that headache. It's this 100 milligram theory. So that's your decision. How much do you want to heal? That's how much you need to invest in your recovery. And then the other thing is, I'm going to give you my opinion as a clinician on what you need. And if you choose to do something different, if you choose to do less, I'll still help you. Like if you only want to come in once every 2 weeks instead of twice a week, you're not going to get there as fast. I'm here, you're paying me for my clinical input. I'm going to tell you as a clinician, here's my opinion on what your treatment should be. And it's up to you to fulfill it or to not fulfill it. So, when your doctor says take 2 of these and call me in the morning for pain, it's up to you whether you take 2 or 1, but you can't really blame your doctor if you don't take what's prescribed and then you don't get better. All right, have a good day.